Happy whatever day it happens to be today. Hope you are all staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to just go over some quick pointers and a quick overview of VEX VR and the VEX blocks programming language to help you with some of the assignments I've given you. So I'm going to go ahead and get my screen up to show you. There we go, I think. Let's see, yes, there we go. So you've got, when you log into VEX Code, when you go to vr.vex.com, this is what shows up. And you can do a lot of different things here. For right now, we're just going to worry about driving. And that would be all of these blue blocks. So if I wanted to drive forward, I would click that over there, and then I could hit start. It'll load the playground, and then my robot will drive forward. And as you notice, it's just going to keep driving forward until, well, until it can't go any further. So that may not be exactly what I want to do. So let's go ahead and drag that back over here. Now I could instead drive forward. We have the choice of 200 millimeters, or we can switch to inches and use inches, just like when we're doing the distance sensor. For those of us who know how to do the distance sensor in EV3, we can choose between metric and English units. So I'm going to keep this at 200 millimeters just to see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the playground again. And let's see, there's my robot. And I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And let's see what happens. There, my robot moved a whole 200 millimeters. That was exciting. Now, let's say I wanted my robot to turn. Well, here we go. Same blocks over here. Let's close that out. Same blocks over here. Now, each of them does something different, and you've got the variables here in white for you to go ahead and try something and see what happens. Now, some of this is all movement. Forward, right, left. This is how fast you want it to go. So this would be your speed. And then down here, you've got the part with drive heading to blank degrees. So you can go ahead and see what that does. Now, the only other thing that I think would be cool right now is if you wanted to, you have a choice of moving the pen down in the purple, which is under looks, and changing the pen color. And I'm going to change the pen color to, let's see, I'm going to change the color to blue, and I'm going to make this go forward for 200 millimeters, but then I'm going to have it go and turn right. And then I'm going to have it go forward for another 200 millimeters. Let's try that and see what happens. So I'm going to click start, and let's see what happens with my robot. And I can go ahead and expand this a little bit. There we go. And my robot went forward, then put the pen down, and then marked a line. So this is kind of the basics. You're going to spend some time just playing around with different things. We'll get into sensors and other things a little bit later, but there are some games under activities. Again, if we click on playground, we can choose our playground. I've got a grid map, but we've got all these different pieces, including a disc maze and a wall maze. But we also have activities such as disc transport and castle crasher. And if you want to know what those do, you can click on the activities button, and it will explain what the game is and what the purpose of what you're doing. So it gives you a lot of different ideas here of things that you could do, and probably might even give you some help. So that's about it when it comes down to VEX VR right now. So let's go ahead and get back to where we were, which is right here. And I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your hands. I can't wait to see what you can program your robot to do. Talk to you soon. Bye.